Hello friends, when you are taking a picture or shooting videos, zooming in helps accelerate its quality and make the focus better, especially if you are at a distance. Thankfully, Snapchat provides an easy way to zoom in and you can learn it through this video. You can either zoom in on pictures or videos through Snapchat. Let's start off by opening Snapchat on your Android or iOS device. You'll immediately be welcomed with a camera screen. Now use your index and thumb finger to touch the screen and slowly slide them apart in an expanding motion. You will see that the object on the screen has been zoomed in. Now you can tap on the circle icon and take a picture. Similarly, for the video, you need to press on the circle icon and Snapchat will capture your video. Do not lift your finger but slowly slide the finger holding the button to the top. You can stop sliding if you want to stop the zoom in. Another way to zoom in on video is by sliding the finger to the left to reach the lock icon. Once your video recording is locked, you can lift your finger and once again zoom in by using two fingers and sliding them apart like you did when zooming in on a picture. Tap the recording button to stop the video. This was easy way to zoom in on picture or videos on Snapchat. I hope this was a helpful video.